Hey everyone, welcome to another video of mine. This is Sagar. So in this particular video, I am just going to solve plus minus problem. So the problem statement is that given an array of integers, calculate the ratio of its element that are positive, negative and 0. Print the decimal value of each fraction on a new line with 6 places after the decimal. Note, this challenge introduces precision problem. The test cases are scaled to 6 decimal places, though answers are with absolute error of up to 10 to the power of minus 4 are acceptable. Array has given 1 1 0 minus 1 minus 1. Then there are n equal to 5 elements, 2 positive, 2 negative, 1 0. Their ratio are 2 by 5, 2 by 5 and 1 by 5. So 2 by 5 is positive and 2 by 5 is negative and 1 by 5 is 1 0, and their ratio we have to print it in each and every line with the 6 decimal of numbers. So we have given the function here and we need to write the logic in this particular function. So input statement has given, so the first line contain number of integers are like size of the array, and second line contains n space separated integers that describe array of n. So those are the constraints. Output format we have to print in the 3 lines. First is positive value, second is negative value, and third is 0 value. So we'll go and we'll solve the problem. So we have to take the length of array dot length. We have to take the for loop that will start from 0. That is very straightforward, that we need to loop through with the each element and we need to check whether the value is positive or negative or 0. That will be less than length of array I plus plus, and here we need to check that one. If array of I is less than 0, that is means negative, so int negative count equal to 0 in USI positive count is 0 count is 0. That all the value we have to take as a local variable, as every time we need to increase by 1 based upon the count. And one more thing, we don't have to take here int, we have to take here float, as output has to be in the not in the int format, they have to be in the floating format. So that will be gone. So the negative count will be plus, so we have to increase the format if it is, so we have to increase the count if it is negative, else if we have to have array of I is greater than 0, then that means that is a positive count plus plus. So remaining is else. So we have to, if the number is non-negative, non-positive, that means it is equal to 0. So in that case we have to increase the 0 count. That's it. After that we need to print the print ln. So we have to print the ratio of each number. So first we need to print the positive, then negative, then 0. So positive count by length of array then negative count then zero count. So that's pretty much for this particular problem. So we can just run the code and we can check whether it's got success or not. Sorry. Okay, so as in the main function we have already given all the input format, so we are taking here n as like what will be the size of array, and based upon the size we just creating an array, and in the array we are storing the integers value, and after that we just calling this plus minus function, that is a static function. So as we don't have to create an object for that class to call this particular method, and we have the loop here, and we just condition check for each and every value in the array, and after that we just finding the ratio. Just run the code, compile, got successful, and got successful. We'll submit the code. So all the test cases has been passed. That means we are good with this problem. So that's it for this particular video. If you have liked this particular video, you can subscribe, you can like, and you can comment, and that will give the motivation to me to solve more and more problem in the coming days. Thank you so much guys for watching and supporting me. Thank you all. Bye bye.